Cloudflare is like that friendly neighborhood superhero for website owners, swooping in to protect and speed up our online experiences. With a plethora of solutions, especially in its free version, Cloudflare becomes an attractive option for those looking to enhance their site's security and performance without spending a dime. Let's dive deeper into what you can gain from this free version and how to make the most of it. What do you get with Cloudflare's free version? Cloudflare offers a variety of features that are incredibly beneficial in its free version. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Content Delivery Network, CDN. The CDN is one of the standout features that Cloudflare provides. With a CDN, your site loads faster. Imagine visitors from all over the globe accessing your content without the dreaded loading time. Cloudflare caches static content and automatically directs visitors to the nearest server. It's like having multiple store branches worldwide. For example, if your site is hosted in the United States, a visitor from Indonesia won't have to wait long to access it. Cloudflare serves content from the nearest server, significantly boosting loading speeds. Data shows that using a CDN can enhance site loading speed by up to 50%. That's a game changer. DDoS protection. DDoS attacks can take your site down in a heartbeat. With Cloudflare, you get automatic protection against these attacks. Cloudflare actively detects and mitigates threats, allowing you to sleep soundly without worrying about your site going offline. According to reports, Cloudflare can handle DDoS attacks with a capacity of up to 1.5. That's an impressive figure, showcasing the strength of Cloudflare's infrastructure in safeguarding your site. Free SSL security is non-negotiable. With SSL, the data between your visitors and your server is encrypted, making it more secure. Cloudflare provides automatic SSL certificates that are easy to activate. It's like adding a sturdy lock to your store's door. With SSL, visitors feel safer when transacting on your site. Data indicates that sites using SSL experience higher conversion rates, as visitors are more inclined to share their personal information when they feel secure. Web Application Firewall. WAF protects your site from common attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. You can easily enable basic security rules. It's like having a security guard always on duty at your front door. Cloudflare offers various customizable rules to shield your site from potential threats. By activating WAF, you can significantly reduce the risk of attacks that could harm your site. Basic analytics. Understanding your visitors is key to improving your site. Cloudflare provides insights into who visits your site. Visitor statistics, locations, and devices used are easily accessible. It's like having a monthly report on who's coming to your store. With this data, you can make better decisions about your content and marketing strategies. For instance, if you notice a lot of visitors from a specific country, you might consider creating more relevant content for them. Tutorial on using Cloudflare's free features. Now, let's explore how to utilize these fantastic features. Here are the steps. Signing up and adding your site. Signing up for Cloudflare is a breeze. Visit the Cloudflare website and create a new account. The process is quick and easy, much like signing up for an online yoga class. Once logged in, click Add a Site and enter your website's URL. When prompted, select the free plan. Who doesn't love freebies? Activating the CDN. After adding your site, Cloudflare will scan your DNS settings. Ensure all necessary DNS records are present. In the Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the Caching tab and enable the Always Online option. This ensures your content remains accessible even if the origin server is down. Enabling SSL in the dashboard, select the SSLS tab. Choose the flexible mode to activate the free SSL. This will encrypt the connection between visitors and Cloudflare. With SSL enabled, visitors will see a padlock icon in their browser, indicating that your site is secure. Setting up the firewall, select the Firewall tab in the dashboard. Activate basic rules to protect your site from common attacks. You can customize the settings as needed. With WAF enabled, you'll gain an additional layer of protection that is crucial. Accessing analytics in the dashboard, click on the Analytics tab. Review visitor statistics, including the number of visitors, their locations, and the devices they use. This will help you understand who is visiting your site. With this information, you can tailor your content and marketing strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you can leverage Cloudflare's free features to enhance your website's security and performance. Cloudflare isn't just a tool. It's a partner that helps you understand and analyze your website traffic. My personal experience with Cloudflare has been overwhelmingly positive. I feel more at ease knowing my site is protected from DDoS attacks and enjoys faster access speeds. Additionally, its analytics features provide valuable insights that help me plan more relevant content for my visitors. So, are you ready to make your site faster and safer? Let's get started.